So we are picking up on the Aeneid at book 4, line 285. Just before this, we had Aeneas, who was visited by Mercury, and Mercury was telling him, like, what are you doing? Why aren't you going to fulfill your fate? And then he flies away, and Aeneas is all freaked out, and his hair, like, stands up, and he's struck. And then here we get a bunch of deliberative subjunctives, like, what should he do? And, like, should he dare to, like, address the raging queen with what speech? And, like, what first beginnings should he undertake? And he divides his swift mind, now here, now there, and he seizes his mind, like, into parts, or into, like, various parts, and he turns over, like, his mind through all things. This is a Homeric allusion to, in Homer, heroes are often described as having a divided mind. So he's trying to decide, so he divides his swift mind, now here, now there. He seizes it into various parts and turns it over through all things. This feeling seems preferable to him, the one, like, wavering. He summons Menestheum and Sergestus and strong Serestus. He, like, summons them to equip the fleet and Silent to bring together the allies at the shore, to prepare their arms, and to conceal what the cause is for renewing the matters. These are indirect commands. This is an indirect question. And now we're going to pick up, we're going to get, like, an indirect statement, say being the subject, woko is still our main verb. Meanwhile, since Best Dido didn't know, and she does not expect that the so great loves be broken, he, Aeneas, would try the approaches and what times would be, like, easiest for speaking. It says of speaking, we would say for speaking, and what way was right for these matters. All the men happy, rather swiftly obeys the command and fulfills the commands. But the queen suspected tricks, or a trick, for who could trick a lover, or who can trick a lover, and she first caught the future motions, fearing all things, even safe ones. The same wicked Fama bears to the one raging, Dido, that the fleet is being armed and their course is being prepared.